Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here, Keroy King, author of Divine Soul Whispers. Today, I wanted to read you a poem from page 176, Wisdom Speaks. And this one came through as a prayer. That was the feeling I got when I was writing this particular poem. Wisdom speaks. May we always know what to do in a given time and season. May our hearts be firm in our convictions, our faith be strong to handle the future. May we keep hope alive as we perceive the light at the end of the tunnel. May the joys of life find a home in our reality. May peace, joy, love, health, harmony, wealth abide. May we always believe in the goodness of life and the support of the divine. May all things beautiful and glorious, gracious and merciful be by your side. May courage and boldness be the driving force within you to make unpopular moves. May your destined path unfold effortlessly as you journey through this earth experience. May abundance in all things considered as good stream to you endlessly. Wisdom speaks. As always, this is Keroy, author of Divine Soul Whispers. If you need a copy, send me a DM. We'll talk soon. Bye.